Welcome to the History Facts Vault. I will be your guide to answering the historical answer to why people say bless you when you sneeze. Have you ever wondered why a simple bless you follows a sneeze? One theory traces it back to the 6th century, when sneezing was taken as a sign of the plague. Saying bless you acted as a quick prayer for safety. Another tale suggests a sneeze momentarily ejected a person's soul, so a blessing kept evil from sneaking in. Although modern science has debunked those fears, the polite custom endures, a centuries-old relic of superstition that persists every time we let out an achoo. Know someone who also likes history? Share this video and let them get a daily dose of history. It also helps promote the channel and grow the community.